In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your notifications in Canva. If you've ever wondered where Canva keeps alerts about comments, shares, or activity on your designs, this walkthrough will make it clear and quick. We're using the standard desktop layout here, and everything happens right from the main dashboard, so you don't need to open any specific project first. Start by heading to your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see right after logging in, with your recent designs and templates. Being on the dashboard matters because that's where Canva places the shortcut to your notifications. If you're currently inside a design editor, just return to the home view so the interface matches what I'm describing. Now, look down to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. You should see your profile icon there. Directly above that profile icon, there's a small bell. That bell is your notifications button. Go ahead and click the bell, and the notifications panel will open right away. That's all there is to it. From here, you can glance through recent updates, like when someone mentions you, comments on a design, shares a file with you, or when Canva posts important account or feature updates. New items typically stand out visually, so you can tell at a glance what's fresh. If the panel opens and it's empty, that simply means there aren't any notifications for your account at this moment. It's completely normal, especially if you're new to Canva, haven't shared designs yet, or there hasn't been any recent activity that affects you. As you collaborate more, you'll start seeing items appear here automatically. A few quick tips for clarity. If your window is very narrow, the interface can shift slightly, but the bell remains close to your profile area on the left. Also, if you manage multiple Canva accounts, make sure you're signed in to the one where you expect activity. Otherwise, the notifications panel could be empty even though you're anticipating updates. And if you're sure there should be something new but nothing appears, a simple page refresh can help the panel update. To recap, the process is straightforward. From your main dashboard, look to the bottom left, find your profile icon, and click the bell icon right above it to open notifications. If it's empty, it just means there aren't any notifications right now. That's it. Simple, fast, and always available whenever you need a quick status check.